What's up everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright, today we have a new dance tutorial for you. This is from TikTok, it's very famous now, called Booty Wurk by T-Pain. Alright, but we're gonna do original choreography, okay? Let's start! Alright, let's start! So for this, we're gonna go like, open your legs. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Goes like that. Here we go. 5, 6, 7. Punch. 1, 2, 3. Cross. 4. So it goes like this. 7 and 1, 2, 3 and 4. Yeah, 5, 6, 7, 8. So chest, set, drag your feet. 8. One more time. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Next, from here, up. 1 and 2. Drop on 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One more time. Here, 7, 7, up. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Good job. Let's try first and second 8. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Very good. Next. 7, 8. Make a circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 8. Okay? I'm not sure about the count. Let's try first. From 7, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's the count. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2. Very good. Let's try one more time. So 7, 8, 2 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, and 2. Very good. Continue from here. 7, 8. Copy? Then you're gonna go 1 and 2. So right after you're gonna go 7, 8, up. 1, 2, 3, and 4. This is 5, 6. Okay? Set, ta, 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 ta. Why the count is wrong? Let's try again. From here, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 4, 7, 8. I don't know what happened. Next, go 1, 2, 3, 4. Roll 6, 7, 8. One more time. We pick up here. Go ta-da-da. 1, 2, ta-ta, ta-ha, ta-ha, ta-ta-ta. Ha, ha, ta, ta, ta. Roll 6, 7, 8. Okay? From the beginning. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Up. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Stop. Alright, next from here. 7, 8. I don't know what's the problem. It should be exactly 8. This is 7, 8. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, one more time. 7, 8. 1, 2, 4. Clap first, girls. Clap first. you're gonna need to hit the ta cha cha cha. 7, 8. One more time. 7 and. Alright, the moment you hit everything, it goes like this. 1, 2, 3, pose. Any pose you like. Then you're gonna hit cha 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 cha. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then punch, close, and one more time. We go from here. 7, 8. Clap. 1, clap, clap. Pose. Then you're gonna hit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stop. Boom. Then. Okay? From the beginning again. Don't worry, almost finished. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Up. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hop. Cha cha cha, hop, hop, and 1, 2, cha 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 cha, up, and okay. Next, from here, open. So all your movements, your legs are flexed. 7 and legs, flex, up, down, then side and turn. Then chorus. One more time. From here, after ball chains and open, flex, up, down, side. This is 1, 2, 3. Turn around on 5, 6, 7. You're gonna go open here. Now we go to the chorus. The chorus said booty work, booty work, boop, 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 booty work. You're gonna go left, right, turn, left. Get that one? So booty work, up to your right, up and down, go to your left, recover 7 and 8. Again, 7 and left, right, turn around, recover and. Very good. Next, just shoulder. Booty work, booty work, booty work. Okay? Again, from here. Chorus 7 and left, right, turn around, left, up and down, recover here, shoulder, 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 cross, and clap. So when you clap, back to position. So clap, we finish it, go to your head, hit, head, kick, slowly, 1 and pump, fast, tap, 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 and down. Finish! Alright, before we go to the beginning, let's start from where? We go from chorus. After here, ta-da-da, turn 5, 6, 7, and booty work, up and down, ta-da-da, boom, ha, ha, ta-da, and ha, 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 finish. Now everything from the beginning, let's do it. So, we know the problem. From here, so it's 8. This is 1, 2. A while ago we do 7. That's why we are missing 2 counts. So one more time from the beginning. Let's do it slowly. So 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Clap. Tap, 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 tap. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and booty work, up and down. Da, da, da. Booty work, ho, ho. Ta, ta, da. Ha, ta, ta, and. Good job! Thank you so much guys for watching. Hope you like that simple choreography that we made today, alright? I'll see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe, share, like, comment on our video, okay? Bye-bye.